Vermeer PD25R is a versatile and efficient pile driver designed for renewable energy, rental, and utility installation applications. Powered by a 74 horsepower Kohler KD1254 diesel engine, it boasts a high-frequency impact hammer with a maximum of 1500 BPM and can handle round piles up to 9.3 inches and square piles up to 8.3 inches. This machine has an operating weight of 18,600 pounds and features rubber tracks with a low ground pressure of 5.5 pounds per square inch, allowing for maneuverability and minimal ground disturbance. The PD25R offers a maximum pile height of 25 feet and incorporates a telescoping mast. The Liebherr LPS 600 is a robust rail-mounted portal slewing crane, engineered for versatile material handling within port environments, with a substantial maximum lifting capacity that ranges from 208 to 310 tons based on its specific configuration. Its long reach, facilitated by a maximum jib length of 58 to 64 meters, provides a significant working radius for various tasks. Weighing between 540 and 702 tons, the LPS 600 is built for heavy-duty operation, capable of handling a diverse range of cargo, including containers up to 19 rows, bulk materials, at rates up to 1,500 tons per hour, with a 90-ton max load, SCRAT. The Liebherr LTR 1020 stands as the world's strongest telescopic crawler crane, boasting a maximum lifting capacity of 1,200 tons and a record-holding 100-meter telescopic boom. This impressive machine can achieve a maximum lifting height of 190 meters and a maximum radius of 144 meters. With the aid of boom attachments and fly jibs extending up to 126 meters, its crawler track undercarriage, with a width of 4.80 meters, provides excellent on-site mobility and lower ground-bearing pressure compared to conventional crawler cranes. While star pattern outriggers offer additional stability with a 13-meter by 13-meter base, LTR 11200 requires less counterweight than. The Caterpillar 367 is a powerful and efficient hydraulic excavator driven by a C7.1 or C9.3B engine that delivers a net power output between 195 and 259 to 310 horsepower, depending on the specific model and emission standards. Its high-performance hydraulic system, featuring a main pump flow of up to 560 liters per minute or 148 gallons per minute, and maximum pressures reaching 38,000 kilopascals in lift mode, provides substantial digging and lifting force. With an approximate operating weight of 36,800 kilograms or 81,100 pounds, the CAT 366 achieves a maximum digging depth of around 8.21 meters. The John Deere 9750 is a robust four-wheel drive tractor powered by a Cummins QSX-15 diesel engine with a displacement of 14.9 liters, delivering a rated power of 570 horsepower and a maximum power up to 627 horsepower on certain configurations. The standard transmission is the John Deere E18 PowerShift, with Efficiency Manager offering 18 forward and 6 reverse speeds, and a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour. Its closed-center pressure-compensated hydraulic system provides a standard pump output of 220 liters per minute, with an optional high-flow system delivering 435 liters per minute, supporting up to 8-weir SCVS. The rear hitch offers a lift capacity of up to 9,072 kilograms. The John Deere 944K hybrid wheel loader is a powerful production-class machine designed for heavy-duty functions. In industries like construction, quarrying, and mining, it is equipped with a John Deere PowerTech PSX 6135 engine that delivers 536 horsepower at 1,600 RPM and features a hybrid electric drivetrain. It features an axial piston pump with a maximum flow of 121 gallons per minute and a system pressure of 350 pounds per square inch. The machine's operating weight ranges from 119,607 to 124,614 pounds, and it is fitted with large 3563R33 tires. The 944K has a fuel capacity of 201.1 gallons and a hydraulic tank. The Kronos 1404 WDM stands as a formidable forestry trailer, engineered for demanding operations. With its robust construction and a carrying capacity of approximately 12,000 kilograms, its overall length is around 6,530 millimeters, providing a load area of roughly 4,000 millimeters, equipped with 8 load supports. This trailer boasts a total permitted weight of 14,000 kilograms on its bogie, which has a wheelbase of approximately 1,300 millimeters and a movement range of 20 degrees, contributing to ground clearances of 550 to 650 millimeters at the bogie and 700 to 770 millimeters at the rear of the frame. A key feature is its mechanical four-wheel drive system, which, coupled with a differential lock. The Remu Big Float E10 is an amphibious pontoon undercarriage system designed to transform standard 8 to 10-ton excavators into versatile machines capable of operating in challenging aquatic. The complete assembly weighs approximately 17,000 kilograms, with the undercarriage alone weighing around 10,300 kilograms, and each track pontoon contributing about 4,200 kilograms to the total mass. For transportation, a minimum length of approximately 10,200 millimeters and a transport width of 3,000 millimeters, while operational width can extend from 3,500 millimeters on dry land to 4,600 millimeters in soft terrain or shallow water. Each track pontoon measures 8,200 millimeters in length, 1,300 millimeters in width. The Sandvik DR412i is a powerful and versatile self-propelled crawler-mounted blast hole drill, engineered for surface mining, capable of drilling holes ranging from 203 to 311 millimeters in diameter, using both rotary and down-the-hole methods. It offers a single-pass drilling depth of up to 17.8 meters and a multi-pass capacity reaching 75.5 meters with an extended mast, delivering a maximum pull-down force of 356 kilonewtons and a weight on bit up to 407 kilonewtons. Power options include the Cummins QST30, 783 kilowatts, or the CATC27, 780 kilowatts. Available in various emission standards, complemented by compressor options providing high pressure,